To build the Enterprise D, Fanhome, Eaglemoss, Magazine 24, we're up to part kit number 93. Hi guys, Retro Trek Ralph here with another Star Trek Build Your Own Enterprise D model build series. This one is part kit 93. So, I left that part there from the last one. The glue's already there just in case I need it. Right, so 93 comes out. These are different, by the way. They have changed. So I assume that we're now getting to just the parts, and there's definitely different to what we had before. It's very nice, but definitely different. So 93, we have a panel which will go at the bottom of the saucer section there. There's edge bits over here, some BP screws, FM screws, IM screws. Do we have any IM screws? Yes, we do. 1, 2 lots of lights and a push over lifeboat cover. That'll cover over a screw. So I'm going to get the lifeboats cut out, all the screws put in the right place, and we'll get on with this. Right, off we go, starting off where we ended last time. So we want the, is it that piece you want? Because that looks like it should be for the saucer maybe. Yes, so we have a whole square there. I think that probably pushes over the lifeboat, and we've got 2 parts for LEDs. So it's wanting on here to put both of the white and yellows. Shouldn't matter, but I'm just sticking to the rules. A lot of BP screws as well. 4 BP screws, 2, 3, and a 4th. Yes, so go that way. Yes, so it wants to just split them a little bit. Yellow on there, and a yellow on there, and then put into place. Good luck. Basically, yeah, it's not easy. As I've just noticed there, the hole hasn't been punched out. Okay, is that paint then? I think it's just paint. No, yeah, that's a bit odd. Okay, tweezers. There, done. Overspill on paint probably. So cover that over. That doesn't seem to fit anywhere it wants to be honest. Just seems to be hovering over. I'll put a yellow in there. I need a screw to hold that in place. That's not done well. One in there. Just a hold? No. Yeah. One over here to make sure that that cable is not caught by the rest of the build. I'll bend that round eventually. So the other yellow goes into there. Just goes round that where the screw hole goes. That's fine. I'll just put it there for the time being. That's not even straight. To loosen the others, I think, first before I do anything. Yeah. There we go. Very strange how that just didn't sort of line up properly. I mean, they're just tabs which... Oh, this is so awkward. This is ridiculously awkward. Screwdrivers are rubbish. I know I've gone back to this one than the shorter one that they gave us, but I had faith that it should have been fine, but no. It's gone into place okay. Just going to make sure they're all in properly, just nipping down that plastic. We did have a problem last time with that plastic, so I don't know. The windows. You're not holding in place, you're not holding the bloody Thames barrier down or something, I don't know, or the metal objects. See, it's not through there properly. I don't like. Is that? I mean, it's all secure. Just seems to be a little bit over on there. Inside this, so I'll probably get some tweezers and see if I can push in place. Just squeeze it now. See, it is holding down the lifeboat. It's just the plastic's just up a little bit. It's very weird because that window's just so not flush. These are so not lined up. I need to do something with that. So that is how it should be. That should be down around that, and that should be round here. So that's good. So I'm going to play back with that, and we'll get on to the next part. So I've had a little bit of a mess, bit of faff, took the plastic bit out for the windows, trimmed a bit away around here. It doesn't fit properly because I think there's a piece behind here which pushes into the lifeboat, but it's just pushing on top of it. So it's a little bit of a silliness, but it's on and it fits. And they are pretty much flush anyway, so that's fine. I'm leaving that because that's okay. Next we get this part here. And if you're doing this at home, make sure your lifeboats are pointing all the right way. I'm not doing that anymore because I'm doing the Mike Lane mods, which is basically rub-on transfers onto each of the lifeboats. So for me, it doesn't matter if they're the right way around or not, because I'm going to rub on the lifeboats. They are symmetrical, these, but they're just not printed same because they've got the red dot on one side. So for me, it doesn't matter. For you, make sure your model looks good. And it looks like there's 10 of these, so another couple spare. Don't know why they do spares. I think it's just the building platform that they've on for the printing or the injection moulding, that it's kind of just there. So we want the piece here, which goes that way around, and that goes over there. So 2 AM screws, and this goes, luckily, that way around, and 2 IM screws in there. And then we need to bring the saucer. So easy enough. AM's up here, IM's down there. I had a problem with this last time where I think it was one of these 2 screws here, the head sheared off. So nice and steady with you putting the screws in, otherwise they will break. So panel done. Screws, 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 screws. Yes, they are all over the place, but like I say, Mike Lane mods. So we need to go, and there's a lip on here which needs to grip this panel here, or at least go up to it. It's a little bit fiddly. You've got these tabs here. You've got to kind of like go down it, or you got to go and then in. So that's just popped in. It looks high. Ah, there you go. Cool. That was actually one of the easiest ones I've ever done. 2 FM screws in place here. Just hold in. I'm just going to put that so it's not too tight. One in here. Just state on there when you're happy everything's in place. Yeah, right. Then put over the lifeboat. So all being well, it's nicely lined up. And that's actually one of the better fitting. It's not lined up there, a little bit over, but I think they all are a little. Got another piece on the next one going there anyway. Yeah, that's the way that the lifeboats were supposed to go. The reds face out, but in the next issue I will put them in place properly, because that's the end of 94, because there are some more going on there anyway, so I've got a lot to do. So that in mind, thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Follow me on social media. Consider being a Patreon. It's been a YouTube member. Help me out as best you can, and I'll see you in another video. Bye for now.